If you are looking to speed up meal prep, chop vegetables in seconds, and actually enjoy spending time in the kitchen, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 5 best food processors and choppers of the year. We've got something for every kitchen and every budget, from compact little powerhouses for quick jobs to full-sized machines that can handle a week's worth of meal prep in one go. Whether you need to whip up a quick salsa or knead dough for fresh pizza, we've carefully picked the best options to help you cook smarter, not harder. Let's get started. First up is a true classic and a fantastic option for smaller kitchens, the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper. If counter space is at a premium, this little machine is a game changer. It has a very small footprint, so it tucks away easily, and it even has a cord wrap underneath for neat storage. But do not let the size fool you. This thing is perfect for everyday tasks. The 3.5 cup bowl is ideal for chopping an onion for dinner, making a fresh pico de gallo, or pureeing a small batch of hummus. It features 2 speeds and a pulse function, so you can go from a chunky salsa to a smooth sauce with total control. One of my favorite design features is the drizzle basin in the lid, which lets you add oil or liquids while it's running, perfect for making homemade mayonnaise or salad dressings. Cleanup is super easy too, since the bowl, lid, and locking blade are all dishwasher safe. If you're a smaller household or just need a reliable second processor for quick jobs, this is a top-rated choice that will last for years. Next, we're stepping up to the big leagues with the Ninja Professional Plus food processor, model BN601. If you love meal prepping or cooking for a crowd, this machine is an absolute beast. It packs a massive 1000 peak watt motor, which powers through even the toughest ingredients without breaking a sweat. The 9-cup capacity bowl is huge, making it perfect for large batches of coleslaw, slicing mountains of veggies, or even mixing up pizza dough. Ninja's Auto IQ technology is what really makes this stand out. It has 4 intelligent preset programs that pulse and pause to give you perfect results at the touch of a button. You don't have to stand there and guess. It comes with a whole suite of blades, including a dough blade and a reversible slicing and shredding disc, which feeds through the top chute so you can process whole vegetables easily. It's powerful, versatile, and surprisingly easy to clean with all dishwasher-safe parts. For the home cook who wants professional-level performance and versatility, this is undoubtedly one of the best food processors you can buy right now. Now, let's talk about the KitchenAid 5-cup food chooser, model KFC0516BM. This one takes everything people love about the smaller version and adds a bit more versatility. You still get that compact, countertop-friendly footprint that KitchenAid is known for, along with the convenient cord wrap. But the 5-cup capacity gives you that little extra room when you need it. It features the same 2 speeds and pulse function, so you have complete control over your texture, whether you want a chunky salsa or a silky smooth sauce. The drizzle basin in the lid is also here, making it super easy to emulsify dressings or add oil while processing. But here is the real standout feature with this model. It includes a whisk accessory. You can pop that in and whip up a cup of heavy cream into perfect whipped cream in just about 30 seconds. It's like having a mini prep bowl and a hand mixer combined. The stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks in place for safe and easy pouring, and the whole thing cleans up easily since most parts are dishwasher safe. If you want a little more bowl capacity and the added bonus of a whisk for quick whipping tasks, all in a sleek matte black finish, this is a fantastic choice. Now here's a unique option that solves a common kitchen problem, the TWOMEOW food processor. This model comes with 2 4-cup bowls, which is incredibly practical. You can use one for chopping raw meat and the other for vegetables, completely avoiding any cross-contamination. Or you can have one set up for a dry task like grinding nuts and the other for a wet mixture like pesto. It's a small but powerful unit with a double S-shaped 4-blade system that cuts and minces evenly in just seconds. It has a simple 2-speed control, a low speed for soft fruits and veggies, and a higher speed for tougher meats or nuts. It's BPA-free, a non-slip base keeps it steady on the counter, and it operates with low noise. For anyone who's particular about food safety or just wants the convenience of having 2 bowls ready to go, this electric food chopper is an incredibly smart buy. It simplifies your workflow and keeps everything organized. Finally, we have the GANIZA food processor, another fantastic dual bowl system, but with a different approach. This one is a bit more heavy-duty and comes with two 8-cup bowls, giving you a massive capacity. One bowl is made of glass and the other is stainless steel, which is perfect for keeping them separate, one for meat and one for vegetables. It's powered by a strong 450-watt full copper motor, which is built to last and chops ingredients in just seconds. Safety is a big focus here too, with a patented automatic stopping design. As soon as you lift the motor head, the blades stop rotating instantly. It also has an overheating protection system to ensure the motor lasts a long time. With 2 sets of bi-level blades and 2 speeds, it can handle everything from grinding meat to chopping frozen fruit. If you need serious power and a large capacity, especially for grinding meat, this top-rated machine is an indispensable kitchen helper that makes exhausting jobs a breeze. So, after looking at all these fantastic options, which one comes out on top? For most people, the sheer power and versatility of the Ninja Professional Plus makes it the best all-around choice. It handles everything you could possibly throw at it with ease. However, if you're short on space and want a reliable workhorse for everyday tasks, go with the KitchenAid chopper. And if you frequently cook meat and vegetables separately, the dual bowl design of the TWOMEOW or the GANIZA is a total game changer. No matter which one you choose, every single product on this list has been carefully selected for its quality and performance. You can find links to all of them in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen gear roundups. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next one.